Good morning. Welcome to my Sunday morning routine. Just wake up. So, with our Sunday morning routine for you guys. Good morning all over the world, wherever you're watching from. Good morning. So, the first thing me I gotta do is before me even go bathroom or do anything else is set on the peas, because you know Sunday is on the rice and peas, but I'm not cook rice and peas today. Yeah. Now I cook rice and peas today. I cook stew peas. So
We are going to
say good morning. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. Say wake up and type your pose. Yeah. We're going to say it to you. So it's a good thing that man here help us. So I'm going to sit on the peas and I'm going to make American porridge this morning. So I'm going to sit on that and then go go back to the room, spread the bed and then go bathroom. Yeah, and go bathroom. So now that I sit on them then in the kitchen, I normally just come back to the room now and spread the bed. But this morning I go change the sheet. So go fold up my blanket, spread the bed, and then head in the bathroom. That's what I normally do. But if I didn't have my bag, I say sweep it right off. I'm gonna finish with the bed. I'm gonna get in here a quick sweep because in here everywhere is clean, nowhere is dirty. So don't need to dust or anything. So just gonna get in here a quick sweep and then check the pot. Check the pot, make sure the water not dry out of the peas or the porridge pot, and then head to the bathroom. Yes. So my done room done clean up. Just time for check the pot them and go back in the bathroom. Everybody clean up them room already. Before I go be I go plug in my humidifier, make it go on. Clean out the room. Let's put a little glycerin in there. Make this one a room, whatever room before I look at the plug-in corner. So it's on now. I'm gonna close the door and head for the bathroom. Smell starts smelling good already. The bathroom time now. I'm gonna brush my teeth before I get over in the shower. Finish with the brushing of the teeth. Go. There's some. Okay. So I have couple skincare routine on my phone, so you can check them over, but this is what I'm gonna be using this morning on my face. So I just put this on my face and then go over in the shower and finish up, and I rinse it out right here. So well, on my face. When I'm finished bathing, then I put on a moisturizer on my face. So now I'm gonna it over. Now the shower part, take a shower. Alright. So finish with my shower now. So I'm gonna go in the room, go lotion and put on some clothes. And then after that he's back to the kitchen, finish up breakfast and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna use the pants. I have like 3 different type of them I use on my face. Just I like the brand, find it work good. That's a little tip because you know me I go in the kitchen, the eat, stove, all of them stuff man can't down all you so little moisturizer. Yeah. Cause me not gonna away, me go in the kitchen to spend half of the day because finish up breakfast. Finish up breakfast and as I finish up breakfast, I have to start on dinner, continue cooking dinner. Already start because you see, I set on the peas. So just getting some lotion. Some use. Yeah. So let me say now, some peas I cook today. I cook some stew peas today. Yep. Stew peas there. Put on clothes now, just some of it on under the hand. Yeah, put on just a light body sprayer, Victoria's Secret body sprayer, just slightly. Okay, I'm not gonna That's it. Yeah, so I'm gonna show them put on. I'm not gonna wear yard clothes, me not. Yeah, those on tights. And my house slippers. So me going back to kitchen now. Check the pot. Before I start putting the meat in it. So I go. I just set on my pick still fish call. Yeah. See how the porridge coming out. Dominican porridge, guys. Can't cook, so you know, I'm gonna mix up my flour now with the night. Yeah, so come. The flour, mix the flour with some water, straight in the porridge now to thicken up the Dominican. Pancake with the American. So I'm gonna start making the pancake them now. Breakfast is almost finished. The porridge finished. Just I go sweeten it as soon as I finish with the pancake. I just sweeten the porridge. And that's breakfast. And my morning is finished there. Yeah. So just pancake finishing, sweet porridge, and that's it for the morning. And then I start dinner, finish dinner. Like you can see, I set on the pig still too. So dinner in the making at the same time. This is how I do upon Sunday morning time. While I make breakfast, I try to incorporate making up the dinner same time. So you know. I love to multitask, so as you can see, just set them on, tidy room, bed, check the pattern while come back, finish breakfast. You know, multitask so you can go a little faster. That's what I do on a Sunday morning time. As you know, look more extra cooking going on Sunday, you know. Either those boiled two dumpling and yam and the curl. So guys, porridge is ready and pancake is finished. My battery are dead. Tati come assist in the kitchen, so I'm gonna go fast. Yes, watch her with the tin. No. With the tin pan. Come Pele.
You sure me that look good for YouTube? Become an head mad.
Hey, pass that dish, man. Pass another black dish. You put the pancake, you know. Yeah, just like the one big one. I'm more than big. See your porridge over there, sir.
Done.
Your pancake. We have to put no syrup on there. Help on yourself. Help on yourself. Help on yourself.
Okay.
Pass this.
So 2 pancake cook.
You're out of there. How much you want? You have to pick a big bowl of porridge and oh, 31. How much pancake you want?
No see it in the 3 or
That's how I make them big. You're too bright. You're lucky. A breakfast, not dinner. Come 13.
You
You
say
have
alone.
one big bowl of porridge and 2 pancakes.
Yeah,
You want
yeah,
more?
yeah.
All this.
I say I'm not even lunch.
See lunch time gone.
Hi. Pass my dish for my porridge. Thank you.
Sure. Cook pancakes, yeah.
Move, come out of my kitchen, youth.
Leave the place.
Leave my kitchen.
Leave.
That's why you feel I'm saying at the first place. Leave my kitchen. Thank you. You're welcome. So guys, as you can see, we are going to eat breakfast now. This is my Sunday morning routine course. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.